I'm going to start off by using my Forever Aloe Scrub. What I really like about this scrub is that it's actually pretty gentle on your face. And I've probably been using this ever since I was like 9 years old. And also, like, whenever I'm putting moisturizer on, I put it onto my eyebrows because that area always gets super dry. Next, I have my Clinique Chubby in the Nude Foundation Stick. I lost my, what do you call it?
Oh yeah,
I lost my beauty blender, so I'm gonna have to use my fingers for today.
makeup on a budget, guys.
So I kind of used 2 concealers at once. I used the Maybelline Fit Me in medium 25, and then I also used Instant Age Rewind in Ivory. So first, I use the Fit Me concealer around my mouth, or like where my laugh lines usually are, and then underneath my eyes. That concealer is actually starting to get a little bit darker for me, so then I need something to light it up. And I kind of add that on top. Then I basically use my finger to blend everything together. Next, I'm going to use the powder that I always use, the RCMA. Put this underneath my eyes like that. Then I put it around my laugh lines.
And Bella, I don't look like Krusty Krabs.
Alright, so we're kind of done with the foundation of our makeup. Next, I want to do my eyebrows, kind of outline them, and I try to do it from like far away, so this way I know what it's going to look like from afar. I do the same thing to the other side. Yeah, so then when I'm done outlining them like that, that's when I go back in and brush them. Next, I'm going to put on some blush, and I'm using this palette by Estee Lauder. Peachy blush color, which is called Peach Passion, and I'm going to use that as my blush. Just a little bit, you know, like not too much. Next, I'm using the Golden Gleam Glow For It palette. Golden Gleam, is that what it's called? It's a glow palette, basically. I'm going to use this color that's all the way over here, which is super shimmery. You just want like a little bit shimmer, so you know when you like go like that, you can kind of see it. Then also we're going to be using this middle color for the highlight. So I'll just put that like right here. Ooh, look at that. Next, I'm going to curl my lashes. I'm going to have to look at the mirror for this one. After that, I'm going to use my Lancome. Wow, I have a lot of Lancome makeup. So this is their Bonjour mascara. Alright, we have that part done. Now we're back to the face because I need to put on my butter bronzer. And 6676, is that like the color? Tip edge of my nose. Underneath my jawline. And I think I'm going to put just a little bit right here. And then kind of go up like this. So it looks like it's defining my cheekbone. I kind of have big cheeks, so I don't really have much of a bone over there. But, you know, it's fine. It's fine. We are back to the eyes, and I'm going to put on just a little bit of eyeliner. Actually, I think I'm going to need a mirror for this. Do you guys hold your breath while doing your eyeliner? Because I do. I'm still holding it. I'm going to do it to the other side now. Okay. I get a feeling like this one was going to turn out to be a cousin. It's okay, just wipe it off. Act like nothing happened. Whoa! Okay, next I'm going to use the Elizabeth Arden pencil to line my under eye, basically. I say basically a lot. I need to stop. Now it's like kind of shadowy. Let me see if I can. Oh, that's better. So I underlined my eyes, as you can see. So finally we're going to be doing our lips. My lips. Motives Cosmetics lip pencil in neutral. I'm going to be using Mary Kay's Apricot Glaze. Next I'm going to